Hello friends, welcome to my channel Novatech Videos, and in this video we will understand and see where and what is configuration partition. So in the previous video I have shown you what is schema partition. So the second partition, which is the configuration partition, and the configuration partition is responsible for all the updates related to your domain controllers. So whatever domains or any domain controller which is added in your infra, so all domains or the domain controller should have the information. So let's go ahead and check the configuration partition in Active Directory. Okay, so this is my domain controller and the server is 2019, and to open it up you have to open the ADSI edit. So this is the Microsoft tool. Here you can see this is the overview of this, and here we will connect to the configuration partition. So by default it is coming default naming context and default naming context, this one, and here we have to connect with the configuration partition. So select a well-known naming context and then select the configuration and then click OK, and this is connected. This is domain controller, the configuration partition that is connected, and let's expand that. So this is configuration, and if we expand that you would see some containers over here, display specifiers, extended rights. So these all are the rights, and forest updates, what and all updates are there over here, and lost and found configuration, anti-DS code, quotas, partitions, physical locations, and the configured services. You would see here the config services, and here are the sites. So whatever sites we have, you can find them over here, and well-known security principles. So these all containers having the updates. If I modify something from here, so they takes care what need to be updated to other domain controllers and the forest. So let me show you one of the important part under services. If we go and then expand to Windows NT and directory services, here, because we are discussing about the configuration partition, so whatever configurations are there within the domain, that will be replicated within the forest. So this is very important to understand that what is the tombstone lifetime which is set here. So you can see here that is the 60 days. So that is the default configuration, and after 60 days it will start the cleanup process, so that the older or the still records can be clear it up. And similarly, if there is any change you want in the configuration, you can visit to this ADSI edit tool and a specific container, and then change accordingly. And make sure you are not making any changes without any discussion. If you are sure, then only you go ahead and make the changes. Otherwise it may lead you in very trouble, because one wrong move can spoil or vanish the entire infra. So only the masters who are having very good knowledge, they only can do the changes. So that's it in this video, and hope you understood what is configuration partition and what and all we can see under the configuration partition. And in the next video we will see what is domain naming partition and how we can see it in AD. So if you like my video, please do subscribe so that you get notified when I upload the new videos, and thanks for watching.